Let's work the SKP, or sometimes referred to as SKPO, or a decrease together. So this is how you slip, knit, and pass the stitch over. So I am at the point where I need to do a decrease in my knitting. So I need to slip this next stitch purl or knitwise like this. You can see I'm inserting my right needle knitwise into that stitch and taking it off my left needle. Now I need to do the K portion, the knit. So I'm going to knit this next stitch. And then I'm going to pass the slip stitch that we slipped onto our right needle over the knit stitch we just worked, like that, and then take it off our left needle. So you can see we have now decreased our work here. And so we've done an SKP or SKPO. And what I'm working on right now is the quick gloves and scarf. It comes in 2 different sizes, a larger circumference for the fingerless gloves, and then for the scarf, it comes in regular and long. So if you want to check it out, you can find the free YouTube tutorial on how to make that here. I also have a free pattern on my blog and a Lion Brand yarn kit where you can get all the colors of yarn that you need to make this scarf, and you can choose the different colors that you want, and then the free digital download of the pattern as well. So anyway, thanks for joining me today. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in today. I hope you liked it. I am Rachel from Cozy Nooks Designs, and make sure that you give it a thumbs up, comment if you have any questions, and subscribe to my channel for future free patterns and tips.